My name is Rob Giannone, and I'm the owner of Sammy's Express Car Wash, and we are located in Maple Shade, New Jersey. We opened an express exterior car wash in December 2019, and our approach was to bring a modern aesthetic and a car wash designed around customer service and customer experience. We went with a POS controller and an LPR system that from the get-go was giving us a lot of difficulty and really not meeting our needs. And so we reached out to Sonny and started speaking to Sonny's controls about bringing in their technology to replace something we just bought a few months ago, and ultimately made the decision to bring in Sonny's controls and move forward with them. And it's frankly was a great transition. The transition was easy for us. Sonny's sent a team to help with the transition, provided support along the way. We initially did not select them, but obviously having come across them and been to their car wash college and have some familiarity with Sonny broadly and think highly of the company overall, decided to revisit their technology after we started having problems with the first POS company we did select. We were concerned with making a switch, being an express car wash that is built around memberships. We had a few thousand members already, and unfortunately, it's not so easy to move credit card data. We spoke with Sonny's and the team about a process where we could get all the license plates in, but then start capturing the credit cards as the customers came through, and that proved to be pretty seamless. We've been very happy with the success of our first car wash and the success of Sonny's controls and their platform, and really making it easy to manage our customers and our limited club members. And we're looking forward to using them in the second location and starting to take advantage of some of their multi-site capabilities as we move forward with more than one location.